There we go. Okay, this is 907. This is the West unit. This is the West unit HVAC indoor air handler, and a lot of it's identical to 903, except our disconnect box will not close. It's binding on something there. Sometimes that's a clue to look further. We don't have a carrying use manual for either one of them. All this is identical. Look at all this. It looks like varmint. Varmint's been nesting in there. We have an air filter here on this one, but it's leaking right down in there. And again, 903, all the same sins, except that 903 did not have an air filter, and this one does have an air filter. And it might be easier to see down on our return air plenum. We got a loose door handle, but really the difference is not being able to close that box and not being able to close this. So we're just sucking air straight into the... That won't close.